Have you ever imagined a robot that could manage complex tasks for you without constant supervision? ClawDBot promises to be that next-level automation tool, designed to streamline workflows, increase productivity, and reduce human error across industries. This is not just another robot, it is an intelligent system capable of learning, adapting, and integrating into business operations seamlessly. Whether it's managing data, handling repetitive tasks, or assisting in decision-making, ClawDBot could redefine how humans interact with machines. In this video, we will explore why ClawDBot could be the future of automation, what industries it will disrupt, and the technology that makes it possible. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want to stay ahead in the automation revolution. Number 10. What is ClawDBot? ClawDBot is an advanced robotic automation system designed to perform complex, repetitive, and data-driven tasks with minimal human input. It integrates artificial intelligence with mechanical precision to execute processes that previously required multiple software systems and human operators. The system learns from interactions, adapts to changing workflows, and continuously optimizes its operations for efficiency. ClawDBot can manage data entry, inventory monitoring, scheduling, and even assist in decision-making by providing predictive insights based on accumulated data. It operates across industries including manufacturing, logistics, finance, and healthcare, transforming traditional workflows into automated, intelligent systems. Number 9. Industries ClawDBot will transform. ClawDBot is poised to disrupt multiple industries by replacing repetitive manual tasks with intelligent automation. In manufacturing, it monitors production lines, predicts maintenance needs, and optimizes resource allocation. In logistics, it tracks inventory, automates shipping processes, and manages supply chains in real time. Financial institutions use ClawDBot for data analysis, report generation, and predictive financial modeling. Healthcare organizations leverage its capabilities to monitor patient data, assist in diagnostics, and streamline administrative workflows. Retail companies implement ClawDBot for inventory management, demand forecasting, and customer service automation. Educational institutions use it for administrative tasks, grading automation, and student data analysis. Number 8. How ClawDBot works. ClawDBot combines artificial intelligence, robotics, and cloud-based algorithms to perform complex tasks autonomously. It gathers and analyzes data from multiple sources, predicts outcomes, and executes actions with precision. Machine learning enables the system to adapt to new environments, recognize patterns, and optimize workflows without continuous supervision. ClawDBot integrates with enterprise software, databases, and hardware, providing a seamless operational experience. Its predictive analytics anticipate bottlenecks, resource shortages, and workflow inefficiencies, enabling proactive decision-making. The system communicates with human operators through dashboards, notifications, and reports, providing transparency and control. Advanced sensors and robotic actuators allow ClawDBot to handle physical tasks in addition to digital workflows. Number 7. Benefits of implementing ClawDBot. Organizations deploying ClawDBot experience increased productivity, reduced operational costs, and improved workflow reliability. It automates repetitive tasks, freeing human employees for higher-value work. Error rates decrease as ClawDBot consistently executes tasks with precision and speed. Predictive analytics allow businesses to anticipate problems and implement solutions before they escalate. Resource allocation becomes optimized, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. Reporting and compliance tasks are streamlined, saving time and ensuring accuracy. Customer service improves as ClawDBot handles routine inquiries quickly, allowing staff to focus on complex interactions. Number 6. Potential risks and limitations. While ClawDBot offers powerful automation, there are potential risks and limitations to consider. Reliance on automated systems may reduce human oversight, potentially leading to errors if unmonitored. Integration challenges can arise when implementing ClawDBot alongside legacy software and hardware. Data privacy and security concerns are critical, as the system handles sensitive information across multiple platforms. Machine learning algorithms may carry biases if trained on incomplete or unrepresentative data, impacting operational decisions. Hardware failures or software bugs could disrupt workflows if contingency plans are not in place. Employees may require retraining to work alongside intelligent automation effectively. Number 5. ClawDBot versus traditional automation. Traditional automation relies on pre-programmed rules and limited adaptability, whereas ClawDBot uses AI to learn, adapt, and optimize processes continuously. Traditional robotic systems perform repetitive tasks but cannot adjust to changing conditions or make decisions independently. ClawDBot bridges this gap by combining predictive analytics, machine learning, and robotics to handle dynamic workflows. Organizations can automate complex, multi-step operations without human intervention, increasing flexibility and responsiveness. The system integrates digital and physical tasks, providing a comprehensive automation solution. Number 4. The future of workplaces with ClawDBot. ClawDBot transforms workplaces by shifting repetitive, predictable tasks from humans to machines. Employees can focus on strategic, creative, and interpersonal activities that drive innovation and growth. Operational bottlenecks are reduced, efficiency improves, and the speed of business processes accelerates. As ClawDBot learns organizational workflows, it becomes an integral partner, enabling teams to achieve more without increasing headcount. Businesses can respond more rapidly to market demands, changes in customer needs, and internal challenges. Number 3. Economic impact of ClawDBot. ClawDBot has the potential to significantly reduce operational costs, improve productivity, and increase profitability across multiple industries. By automating routine tasks, businesses save on labor costs while maintaining high accuracy and speed. Predictive maintenance and resource allocation optimize spending and minimize waste. Number 2. ClawDBot and AI integration. ClawDBot is more than a robot. It is a sophisticated AI system capable of learning, predicting, and improving operations over time. Machine learning. Models analyze workflow data to suggest optimizations, detect inefficiencies, and anticipate resource needs. Natural language processing allows human operators to interact with the system intuitively. Cloud connectivity ensures that ClawDBot integrates with enterprise software, databases, and cloud services seamlessly. Number 1. Is ClawDBot the future of automation? ClawDBot represents the next generation of intelligent automation, combining robotics, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing to handle complex workflows autonomously. The economic, operational, and cultural impact of ClawDBot is profound, reducing costs, increasing productivity, and reshaping workplace dynamics. While challenges such as data privacy, integration, and oversight remain, the potential benefits far outweigh the risks. ClawDBot signals a shift from simple task automation to intelligent operational management. The future of automation is not just robotic, it is adaptive, predictive, and integrated into every aspect of business. Businesses that embrace ClawDBot today position themselves at the forefront of the next industrial and technological revolution. Automation is evolving, and ClawDBot might just be the partner that defines the future of work. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want more insights into transformative automation technologies. Share this with anyone interested in the next wave of intelligent machines. The era of adaptive, AI-powered automation has begun, and ClawDBot is leading the charge.